Hey everyone, this is Alex the cinematographer, and today I'll be showing you my first impression of the Mavic 2 Pro. If you're watching this video, you're clearly interested in the Mavic 2 Pro. Whether you're a seasoned drone veteran or a beginner pilot, I think this is a great drone for you. At its price point, you're getting professional features on a compact travel drone that fits right in your pocket. DJI managed to squeeze the power of the Phantom 4 Pro into the size of the Mavic. The body is almost identical to the Mavic Pro, but under the hood, it's a whole different story. The new Mavic 2 Pro sports a new Hasselblad 20 megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor. This camera also has an adjustable aperture that goes all the way from 2.8 to f11. Now, it shoots in 10-bit Dlog and 10-bit HDR. There are two different types of 4K recording modes on the Mavic 2 Pro. One is a 28mm and another is a crop sensor, which is at 40mm. The Mavic 2 Pro gets up to 31 minutes of flight time and flies up to 44 miles per hour. It has features including ActiveTrack 2, QuickShots, Panoramas, and of course the Obstacle Avoidance on all sides of the aircraft. The Obstacle Avoidance works so well that it's difficult to catch it in your hand. In my opinion, this is the best drone that you can get for under $1,500. I'm actually about to sell my Phantom 4 Pro and my first Mavic because I now have the best of both worlds. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content.